Brazil is a very interesting place. So longer term, there's a very, very interesting demographic taking place there. There's, on a percentage basis, I think the largest emerging middle class in the world.
And that's significant, isn't it?
I think it's hugely significant for all kinds of domestically oriented sectors, especially the financial sector, because things like mortgages, credit cards are really just becoming a part of the average household there.
In terms of commodities, big play when it comes to Brazil. Also with China, but let's talk about Brazil.
Well, they're unbelievably correlated with industrial commodities and oil and iron ore in particular. So, one of the largest oil companies in the world, one of the largest iron ore companies in the world are there, some of the smaller ones as well. So, to some extent, as goes industrial commodities, so goes Brazil.
Now, it's interesting. That's what Brazil has. China is just trying to get its hands on every commodity. We saw some of that play out today with Sinopec.
Right, to some extent, it's exactly the opposite situation. So China is way short industrial commodities naturally. Brazil is way long them. So what China tries to do is to come up with these acquisitions in order to guarantee them supplies of commodities that they simply don't have indigenously in their land. Brazil, on the other hand, almost entirely an exporter of commodities.
Do you like Brazil better than China, Uri?
I like them both longer term. Short term, I'm probably a little bit more positive on Brazil, so we have a higher weight in Brazil right now. So, yeah, short term, I like it a little better. Long term, 6 of one, half a dozen of the other.